After opening the VMware, click on the Create a New Virtual Machine option. Now choose Typical option and then click on the Next button. Don't choose the installer disk now, we will add it later. Now choose Operating System as Windows and version. Let's choose the location where you want to store your setup file. I want to prefer to save the file as single file. The setup is now almost finished. Let's add the ISO file by clicking on the CD/DVD option. Browse the Windows 10 ISO and select this. Now run the ISO file and let's install the Windows 10. Here, just go with your needs. It will take some time to install the Windows ISO. As you can see, installing is now finished. Let's wait for Windows setup. Now set up your Windows as your needs. That's it. Now you can use your Windows 10 in VMware.
All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.